Dr. VanDyke here, endocrinology. I want to talk to you about hormone replacement therapy in breast cancer because October was Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And when it comes to systemic hormone replacement therapy, there are two hard stops for that, for safety reasons. The first is a hormone-sensitive cancer, like breast cancer, ovarian cancer, endometrial cancer, that kind of thing. Or a clotting event, like a DVT or a pulmonary embolism. But in the case of breast cancers that are hormone sensitive, then these women still have options. There are a couple of products that are FDA approved for low-dose vaginal estradiol replacement to really combat that problem of genitourinary atrophy that causes pain with intercourse and reduces quality of life. And this does not appear to increase the risk of recurrent breast cancer. Now, for women who've had some other types of breast cancers that are not hormone sensitive, then you are able to seek hormone replacement therapy with menopause just like any other woman would who's not had a breast cancer history. So keep this in mind. Quality of life is important. Take it from a hormone-sensitive breast cancer survivor that estradiol used locally is a lifesaver.